Hi, this is Guy from Permobil. Keeping your wheelchair and its accessories clean and disinfected is an important but often overlooked part of routine maintenance. It can help ensure your product look good, continue to function well, and most importantly, it can help to limit the spread of bacteria and viruses. Today we will take a look at how to clean some of the most common Permobil products. Next, let's take a look at what you can do to clean your Tilite manual wheelchair. To clean titanium polished or satin frames, use a soft cloth to clean the finish. If necessary, moisten the cloth with glass cleaner. If cleaning a painted frame, use a soft clean cloth with soap and water to clean the frame. Immediately dry all components and parts that become wet. You should also hand wash the seat sling and back upholstery using water with mild detergent. Always allow the upholstery to air dry completely before using the chair again. You may also use a soft clean cloth with soap and water to clean all other components. Immediately dry all the components and any components or other parts of the chair that became wet. To disinfect, moisten a soft clean cloth with a mixture of 1 part household liquid bleach to 9 parts of water. Wipe your frame and components. Give special attendance to components that receive frequent touching, like hand rims, push handles, and wheel locks. Immediately dry all components and other parts of the chair that have become wet. While we are here, let's take a look at how to clean your smart drive. For our smart drive surfaces, you should use a soft cloth or sponge damped with hot water and mild detergent. Make sure to wipe down surfaces carefully, rinse or wipe with clean water and a soft cloth and get completely dry before next use. Make sure to take special care on not to get water on other liquids in various electronic components of your smart drive. Please note that the disinfectants are not effective on porous surfaces such as foam. We hope that this video has been helpful, and remember to always refer to your owner manual for cleaning and care recommendations for your specific product. If you have any questions, please reach out to your dealer or contact the Permobil customer care team.